Hello everybody, I wanted to do a little video about setting up this. I haven't actually used it yet, so let's plug in the Nintendo Alarmo and see what happens. So we got our startup screen. Okay, so it's telling me about like usage of it. So it's asking me if I want it to be push or turn or push. Or is it just telling me that I can push and turn? It's got quite a few languages in here. Sorry, you probably can't see the button as it's lighting up, huh? English is okay. All right, you can use the back button if you want to go back to the previous screen. Handful of regions. It is like fairly late in the year already, isn't it? Navigating is fairly easy. Today's the 19th. I just got this in the mail yesterday. And what's the time? Sorry, I'm literally checking the time on my phone. All right, so yeah, 10:19, Saturday at 11:32 a.m. Okay, we're getting started. All right, turn the dial to raise or lower the volume. That's actually pretty decently loud. Try waving your hand. Here, I'll put it back a little bit. All right, put the clock on a flat surface, then move. So I'm currently leaning to the right, then leaning to the left, leaning to the right, right some more. Try moving farther away than coming closer. Is that why they jump, or? Oh my god. Alright. The clock's motion sensor can tell when you move your body. Its range of detections is called the sensor zone. I'll set up this clock's sensor zone. I'm not laying in bed, but that's fine. My bed is queen. It'll be placed here. Oh, by the edge. It's not going to. Sensor zone is now set. I'm going to change the clock's placement. Select setting zone and setting, or sensor zone and settings. Okay, easy enough. Now we hop into bed so we can test the alarm. Am I really? No, I'm not going to do that. Not just yet. Lie down, press the confirm button. Okay. Move your body to quiet the alarm. Next, stop the alarm by getting out of bed. Oh, God. It's like gamifying waking up. Well done. Welcome back. Characters will come and wake you up each morning. And then move your body to quiet the alarm. If you stay in bed, characters will keep coming to wake you up. Get out of bed to fully stop the alarm. If you get back into bed within an hour of the alarm, it'll start going off again. Oh, that might actually save my life sometimes. Would you like to test the alarm again? No. Lastly, it's time to set your alarm. Press the confirm button down on the dial to open the menu. Then select Set Alarm. We're going to pick a scene and mode to set your alarm. And there are several titles with multiple scenes to choose from. Choose which scene you want to wake up to. Oh, okay. I was kind of hoping it would have something like this where it has like a shuffle all titles. But you've got Shuffle Mario Daily, Shuffle Zelda Daily, Shuffle Pikmin, Shuffle Splatoon, and then Shuffle Ring Fit. I honestly like the idea of shuffling daily. That sounds fun. For me, it means that the alarm will never stay the same, and I'll never hopefully get like used to it. In the mode settings, you can select the preferred alarm mode. First-time users might want to start with steady mode. This mode encourages you to get up within 20 minutes of your alarm. If you don't, the alarm will enter a louder hurry-up state. Wake up to a lively scene. Gentle mode. Button mode. I'm going to do steady. Set a time for your alarm to go off. I need to wake up at 6:30 in the morning. All right, time you've set for your alarm is displayed here. Okay, your alarm is now fully set up, but there's more to do. Try sleepy sounds, hourly charms, and records too. You learn about those through notifications. Forget alarm clock with notifications. If you see this icon, press the notification button. Setup is now complete. Okay, and we've landed on Mario for the first day. So, no notifications. It is tracking my movements and doing all sorts of fun stuff. So, notifications, sleepy sounds. Sleepy sounds will play to help you drift off to sleep, but only if you get into bed after your set bedtime. The sounds will stop playing after 10 minutes. I don't want to. Hourly chime, standby mode. What's standby? If you get back into bed, okay, I'm actually like okay with that one. Oh god, the side that you exit the bed. I'm assuming that this is part of settings. Your alarm might stop more quickly if you change the clock's placement or get out of the bed from a different side. Try to place the clock opposite of the side you use to exit the bed when you get up. That's not going to happen. Based on your current settings, the alarm may stop faster if you exit the bed from the sides just shown. Okay, let's take a look at the actual settings. So I've set my alarm. I'm not going to do sleepy sounds. Oh, you can set it by day of the week. That's awesome. So for me, I don't want this to wake me up on Saturday or Sunday. Perfect. I love that. Because with my current alarm clock, I actually have to turn it off for those days. Hourly chime. Will it do it overnight though? Between your set alarm and your set bedtime. Okay, so it'll only make noises here. I'll go ahead and do it. Go ahead and do it. But I guess that means that I'll have to set like well, no, it'll do it between the hours of this and 7, I'm assuming. Okay. And then we have records. So sleep records, wake up records, which of course there are none. Track how much time you spent resting in bed. This record will show how long you were in the sensor zone starting at 3 p.m. each day. These records will be deleted automatically after 1 year. And currently I have no records. It says I spent 2 minutes in bed. Okay, so then we have like a master settings. So this is how you factory restore, system info. What would it tell you? System version, privacy, intellectual property, wireless e-label. Okay. Language, reason, sensor, sensitivity. Okay, so it's just like, basically it's just to set it just in case you have things that might cause it to be more active. Oh, Nintendo account. Yeah, you can log it to your dial LED, screen brightness. Screen brightness will automatically adjust to match your surroundings. Okay, that's fine. Dim the screen when no movement is detected. Yeah. There's a decent amount of settings to this. I'm okay with that. I am going to have to connect it to my Nintendo account now that I think about it. So use the LED, yes or no? No, it's cute. I like it. It kind of reminds me of the Pokemon Go bracelets. Okay, internet. Need help with these settings? Check with a parent or guardian. Make sure you set up the internet connection from a spot near your bed. Access the QR code or URL on the next screen for info on personal data usage. Okay. Privacy policy. All right, so search. I might hide some of this stuff. Oh my god, I actually have to like enter the password. Okay. This is going to take a bit. All right. I was wondering if you would have to like connect it to your phone app or anything like that in order to complete this process, but apparently not. Okay, so I am now connected to the internet with my alarm clock. And now you have a little Wi-Fi logo here. So there's one more setting that I wanted to look into, which is obviously the Nintendo account. I may need my cell phone. If you have a Nintendo account, you can download new alarms. Link. When linking an account to this device, the privacy policy applies. Okay, this makes sense. So, camera. Okay, it tells me to look at the clock screen. Sorry, just in case it was showing something on the phone, I didn't want to show that part. But basically, all it did is when I took a picture of the QR code, it took me to a thing that asked me to select the account, and then when I selected the account, it just said look back at your phone, and now it's good to go. So it says my Nintendo account is now linked. So now that's that. So I guess that means that we are now able to go to download new alarms. Before I do that, I'll just check this last help thing. I'm assuming that this is just, yeah, it's just how to review things, how to do everything that it told you, all that sort of stuff. So that's fine. So download new alarms. May take some time. Your alarm will not go off during the update. So I wonder if it lets you pick or if it just basically sees that there are updates, which I think this is the way that it does. It just checks to see if there are updates. You can select update. I will say I'm already fairly impressed with this. Just like functionality wise, I mean, this thing is $100, which seems like a pretty high price point to swallow for something as simple as an alarm clock, but we'll see. If it wakes me up, if this tiny little weird device wakes me up, I guess then it's done its job. But the extra little things that it does might be worth a bit of money. Who knows? We'll see. Obviously, I'm paying for the brand, but I sort of already am aware of that. That's the problem with being a nerd. When you collect things, you know what you're paying for. It's why buying things like specialized Lego, like branded after Nintendo franchises or whatever, it's so expensive, but it's just like, you can't really avoid it. Then again, if no one bought it, maybe they lowered the price. So it says, checking for updates. Update complete. Version 2.0. All right, so for details about the update, I guess that's not a bad idea. We can check to see like what actually was updated. Okay. Not as user-friendly as I was hoping. Other systems. Alarmo. Okay. Maybe it's better than I thought. Let's see. System update, information and history. Okay. So it added a moderate mode as a new mode option, added movement record as a new record feature. Distance from bed can now be set to 20 to 50 centimeters max for queen size and king size beds. When check sensor zone is run, an estimated position of movement will now be displayed, and general system stability. Okay. So it actually did do some stuff then. Which means if I go in the settings, I should have, so sleep, wake up records, and then movement records. So it's actually not a menu that I select from. It now just displays all of them in a row. So now you have movement records. Shows you how much you move around in your sleep. So I had like a little bit of movement here, or that's just showing where it is right now. Okay. And then let's go set alarm real quick. I just want to see if any new title was added. Which it doesn't appear so just yet. I know that they were basically advertising Mario Kart 8, but maybe they just haven't added it yet. So steady and moderate. So take your time getting up with an alarm that starts gentle, but steadily increases in intensity. The alarm will enter a hurry up state after 20 minutes. Now, I'm just going to keep it with steady mode. Okay, so there we go. That's all the basic things that you can do with the Alarmo. I'm going to check again just to see, but I'm pretty sure it's going to tell me that there's no updates available. And I would assume that if there was an update that had like a message about interesting, the notification button now, it does my records. So if all notifications are red, does that mean that I'll just instantly be taken to records every single time? You can turn the records off, which is good if you don't want that stuff sort of being saved anywhere. Okay, but yeah, that's the basics. Maybe I'll add a quick little video of the thing like sitting next to my bed and doing a thing, but that's for future me to decide. But anyway, there we go, Nintendo Alarmo. If you needed any help setting it up or understanding what options you'll have available to you, should you want to pick this up, then hopefully that tells you. Anyway, thanks for watching. Much appreciated. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.